Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to install the glass screen protector. My son also got the rear camera protector, but unfortunately he purchased this case. I don't think he could put the camera protector on there. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this one. This one's the Fire Nova Light Up Your Life. And the product is made in China. Wow, they even give you stickers. So this one has a MagSafe charging pad on the back. Oh. So it protects this part, but not the actual lens. So. Let's go and then check out this. I told him to buy the tempered glass protector, also the camera combo. It is cheaper that way. So this is the clear. I thought I told him to get the privacy, but anyway, it's fine. So you got the 3 packs of screen protector. They also come with this frame. Normally it says the top or bottom. So this must be the bottom. Looking upside down, so it says the top right here. So this frame is to guide you, so you don't mess it up. Okay. And they also come with the 3 of the camera protector. So unfortunately, you cannot use it with his new case. And this will be just going right there. No, it's not gonna fit. And then they also come with the dry and wet cleaning cloth. Also the dust or lint remover sticker. So I make sure there's no lint. I'm going to remove this original one. And then you're gonna peel this sticker off. It's weird, it doesn't say top or bottom. And now we try to squeeze out any of the bubble. It looks very nice. I don't see any bubbles at all. So we're gonna try to fit into his new case. Yeah, it doesn't really protect it. Although the color and everything looks nice. Unless I could put it in there. Nah, it's gonna look ugly. So yeah, all the buttons are pretty tactile. There you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.